Imagine this. You are watching the market move and you feel the rush of emotions. Fear, greed, overconfidence, each one tempting you to act. But what if you could control those feelings and stick to your strategy? Meet the traders who make smart, disciplined decisions and the ones who let emotions take the wheel. Hey traders, welcome. Today, we are going to dive into one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of trading psychology. It's the secret ingredient that can make or break your trading journey. Let's face it. Anyone can read the chart, but managing your mind when things get tough is what separates the winners from the losers. Let's start with fear. It's the emotion that pops up when you're worried about losing your hard-earned money. Fear can cause you to close your positions too early or worse, avoid good opportunities altogether. But here's the trick. Build a solid trading plan with clear stop loss and take profit levels. This gives you a roadmap so you're not making panic decisions when emotions get wild. Next up, greed. It's that voice in your head that tells you to keep holding on your winning trades, hoping for even bigger gain. The solution? Set realistic profit target and use a trailing stop loss to lock in your profits while letting your trade run its course. Now, let's talk about overconfidence. After a few wins, you might feel you're on the top of the world, and that's when the danger starts. Overconfidence leads to big risks, oversized positions, and ignoring your risk management rules. To avoid this pitfall, stick to position sizing rules and review all your trades, including losses. Then there is impulsiveness. This is when you enter trades without any plan, just because you feel like doing something. Maybe you're bored, stressed, or just caught up in the excitement. But impulsive trades rarely end well. To fix this, follow your well-defined trading checklist. Only act when your strategy says so, not your emotions. Another huge one is loss aversion. It's the painful feeling that comes with losses. Traders experiencing loss aversion often refuses to cut their losses, hoping for price reversal. This often leads to deeper losses. To combat this, accept the losses as a part of the game, set a stop loss and stick to it. Don't hope for a miracle. Be willing to walk away when the market isn't in your favor. Then there's confirmation bias. This is when you only seek out the information that supports your current trade, ignoring all the signs that tells you to exit. We have all been there, stubbornly sticking to a position even when the market tells you otherwise. The trick: stay open to opposing viewpoints and regularly review your trades with an unbiased eye. Now, let's talk about regret aversion. This one is subtle but powerful. Traders fear to take action because they are worried about making a mistake and regretting it later. This can lead to missing out on opportunities or overthinking every decision. The solution? Accept that mistakes will happen. No one wins all the time. Focus on executing trades based on probabilities, not the fear of regret. And finally, herd mentality. This is when you blindly follow the crowd, thinking everyone else must be right. This can lead to buying at the top of the market or selling at the bottom just because everyone else is doing it. To avoid falling into this trap, always conduct your own analysis and trust your strategy even when the crowd is heading into a different direction. Mastering your emotions and recognizing these psychological patterns is the key to become a disciplined trader. Stick to your strategy, manage your risks, and let the profits follow. Subscribe to Navya Markets and happy trading.